Welcome to the chapter Arithmetic Progression. As the name suggests, progression is a sequence, that is, finite or infinite list of numbers in which the general term can be expressed using a mathematical formula. Arithmetic progression means a progression in which the difference between the two consecutive terms is constant. For example, 2, 5, 8, 11, 14 is an arithmetic progression. Whether the sequence is AP or not, how will you check? We have to check for the common difference, which must be equal. Now these are some of the designation we use throughout the chapter. A is the first number of an AP. D is the common difference of an AP. Tn is the term of an AP and n is the number of terms. The first question is to determine the AP sequence or to find the next terms of a given AP sequence. Initially, we always find the first term and the common difference. As it is a difference between two consecutive terms, for any AP, if the common difference is positive, the AP is in increasing sequence. If the common difference is negative, the AP is in the decreasing sequence. The most prominent questions are to find the multiples of number, divisible of a number, when it is divided by that number leaves the remainder, etc. Here, the common difference is that number only. This chapter, we prominently deal with only two formulas, Tn and Sn, that is term, nth term and the sum of the n terms. First, nth term of an AP. The nth term of an AP is given by the formula Tn is equal to a plus n minus 1d, where a is the first term, d is the common difference and n is the number of terms. If a, n and d is given, we can find the value of any term of an AP. Similarly, if other three quantities are given, we can find the value of d, a, n, whichever is missing in the question. We can even find the nth term and the position of that particular term in a sequence by changing the formula like this: n is equal to Tn minus a divided by d plus 1. How to recognize if the question is on Tn? They'll tell you to find the rent or the price or the fare on that particular time or day. Next formula is of the sum of terms in an AP. The formula for the sum to n terms of an AP is given by Sn is equal to n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1d, where a is the first term, d is the common difference and n is the number of terms. The sum of the n terms is also given by the formula n by 2 a plus n, where a is the first term, l is the last term of an AP and n is the number of terms. Given the quantity of a, n, d or the last term, you can find the sum of the n terms and the vice versa. How will you recognize if the question is on AP? They'll tell you to find the total rent or price or fare. The word total, the word sum will tell you the question is on sum of terms. These are some of the important points we must know. The first term is the sum of the first term itself. The difference between the consecutive sums is equal to the term. The difference between consecutive term is equal to that common difference. The sum of the first n natural number is given by Sn is equal to n plus 1 divided by 2. This formula is derived by treating the sequence of natural number as an AP, where the first term is equal to 1 and the common difference is equal to 1. Last point, Arithmetic mean. Arithmetic mean is a simple average of a given set of numbers. The arithmetic mean of a set of numbers is given by arithmetic mean is equal to sum of terms divided by number of terms. The arithmetic mean is defined for any sets of number. The number need not necessarily to be an AP. Thank you, class.